No one will tell you about how you can create customized sound effects. Visit the link mentioned in my bio, sign up for free and download Krotos Studio. Let's explore an example together. Navigate to ambience and start experimenting with the graphs mentioned here. You can increase bird chirping by simply dragging the circle. You can also adjust other parameters. Once you are done, just drag and drop the audio into your video editing software. This way you can create many different sound effects for free. Share this reel with your content creator friend and save this reel so that you won't forget about it.